For thousands of years, people have been fascinated by the rich colors and intoxicating scent of the camellia. Cultivated for over 5,000 years in their East Asian homelands, also the leaves are treasured, as the camellia is a tea bush whose leaves produce some of the world's finest teas. A particularly exquisite collection of camellias can be found in the palm house of Vienna's Schönbrunn Palace. The highly skilled traditional scent shading technique has been used for centuries to noble marquetry, and it lends this artwork its unique three-dimensional appearance. Its timeless symbolism makes the Camellia grand piano a precious collector's item. After all, the camellia stands for friendship, harmony, and beauty.